Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm gonna show you how to call recorder KakaoTalk apps with phone. So guys, to record a call you need to download an app. So just go to your Play Store and then tap on the search bar and search Cube ACR. Now you have to download it. So guys, after downloading, just go to the app. Then tap on the next option. Tap on grant permission. Tap on allow. And then tap on add cube. Tap on ignore. Tap on no thanks. And then tap on OK. Now tap on ignore. And then tap on the mic icon. And guys, as you can see, the recording is started. Now go to the KakaoTalk app. Now just call anyone. And guys, the call is recording now. And then cut the call. Now go to Cube ACR app again. Now tap on ignore. And then again tap on the mic icon. So guys, as you can see, the dictaphone has been recorded. And that's how you can call record on KakaoTalk app. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.